Well, hello everyone. So this is the first in a series of short guides that shows you the functions, the mechanics, if you like, of using the student ePortfolio, of putting the content in, of setting the content up to look the way you want it to look, and then how to release it to your chosen audience in the online space, or to export it to print. So as you can see from this little bit of a flow chart here, the steps involved in building your portfolio require you to add experiences, which is the term that just means your pieces of evidence, your reflections, your review of learning, however you conceive that within your discipline area. They are added as experiences. So they're pieces of text that you record that demonstrate and evidence your skills and abilities and your learning. Then there is a function where you can turn some of your files and content into artifacts that support your reflections. Then you will be creating a targeted view, so you can have as many views in your portfolio as you want, because a view is simply the term that means a collection of evidence for a particular purpose. So each time you have a different purpose, it might be a different job application, then you'll have a different set of evidence that suits the audience that you're targeting. You can export it to print and you can release it in the online space to a viewer. And there'll be a short guide to show you how to upload video files to Vimeo or to YouTube, because whilst you can upload files to your portfolio, it won't upload very large files. So in that instance, it's a case of uploading them to an external host and then linking to them from your portfolio. So this first guide will show you how to upload and manage files that you may wish to attach to a reflective piece or a piece of evidence, or that you may simply wish to present as a standalone artifact. So to access the ePortfolio, you can get there from your student gateway, from the front page of Blackboard. So if you're in Blackboard, when you go into Blackboard, there's a link to Portfolio from the front page, and then there may be a link from your left-hand menu in your Blackboard unit site, depending on whether or not your lecturer has added a link there. So if you need a link from your Blackboard unit site, you can always ask your lecturer or tutor to create that link for you. Okay, so front page of Blackboard there, I'll go through to the portfolio. You'll notice that it comes through to a menu page, so it will always bring you through to this menu page. And for this little video, we're having a look at QUT Virtual File Manager. So the File Manager in this instance is purely an upload function. It will welcome you. The first time you use it, it will ask you to accept the IT rules, and they're the same IT rules that govern everything else you do at QUT. Tick the File Manager tab, and it will take us through to a standard upload function. So when you come through File Manager, you'll see files that I've already uploaded are here. I can see there's a big list of files, I can see the date that I uploaded them, and I can see how much space each one is taking up. You've got a maximum at the moment of 2 gig of space, which is quite a lot of document style files. It will take any type of document file. And to upload a new one, it's just a matter of clicking the upload button. It will take you to a standard browse window, so you'll browse from this window. So you just browse to your thumb drive or home drive, wherever it is you've got your file stored. Choose the files that you want, and open, and then upload again. And now it will tell you when the upload is complete, and now I can upload another file if I wish, or I can just close this browser window and I will see the name of my most recent file at the top of the list. And at that point, the file is stored in your portfolio. It's not visible anywhere. You haven't done anything with it yet. You've simply stored it in your portfolio. And it's a great idea to do that with files that might otherwise be lost. Files such as assignments, feedback from clients, perhaps certificates of courses and extra work that you've completed, things that you may want to use in the future to reflect on or to use as evidence. I can come back now and I can attach these to my reflections, or I can use them to present as artifacts. So that is the process for uploading your files to your portfolio, and in the next video guide we'll have a look at adding some of the evidence and some of the stories about your skills and abilities as experiences.